Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace your Kia Sorento's cabin air filter. This is a simple maintenance task that can significantly improve your vehicle's air quality. First, you'll need to open your glove box completely and remove everything inside. Then, gently press inward on the two side tabs to release the glove box from its hinges, allowing it to swing down further. This provides clear access to the filter housing. Once the glove box is out of the way, you will see a rectangular housing unit directly behind it. This is where your cabin air filter resides. There are typically two small clips, one on each side of the housing cover, that you need to unfasten. Gently push or pull these clips to release the cover. With the cover removed, you can now carefully slide out the old cabin air filter. Notice its direction of airflow. Before inserting your new cabin air filter, pay close attention to the airflow arrow printed on its side. This arrow indicates the direction air should flow through the filter. For most Kia Sorento models, this arrow should point downwards when you install it. Carefully slide the new filter into the housing. Once it's fully seated, reattach the housing cover, making sure both clips snap firmly into place to secure it. With the new filter installed and the housing cover secured, it's time to reassemble the glove box. Carefully lift the glove box and align the side tabs with their respective slots. Gently push them back into place until they click. Close the glove box, and you're all set. Replacing your cabin air filter regularly, perhaps every 12,000 to 15,000 miles, helps maintain excellent air quality and reduces allergens inside your vehicle.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.